Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see stock audit. Stock audit is a procedure to check physical stock maintained in warehouse, store, and any location which contain goods or any other material that matches with the stock registry of company. As I'll be logging as a cluster manager. Once login, go to the stock audit, then click on schedule audit request option. Once you click on audit request button, this type of interface will be open. As you can see, here is one option called audit type. Once you click on audit type, you can see here is different types of audit. We will going through each of them one by one. First, we can see department stock audit. For department stock audit, date range, location, and departments. These three fields are mandatory, and other fields like family, class, and subclass are optional. For department stock audit, you have to first select date range, then you have to select location code, department. If you want to schedule audit in department level, so you can do that, or if you want to schedule audit it on family, class, subclass, you can do that also. So I select family, class, then subclass, then click on save button. As you can see, when I click on save button, it will show how much entries are there. For example, here are total 38 entries over here. Then click on schedule audit button. As you can see, audit has been scheduled. I log in as store. Go to the stock audit. As you can see, audit has been scheduled. Click on audit ID. Then click on start button. Once you click on start button, this type of message will be pop up called data fetched successfully. Click on OK button. Once you start the audit, you can see here is one button called SOH and another and one refresh button over here. Once you start the audit, first you have to click on this SOH refresh button. Once you click on SOH refresh button, one message will be pop up called stock on hand count refresh successfully. Click on OK. Then go to the bottom of this page, download the template. This type of Excel will be downloaded. You have to fill all the physical count over here. Once you fill all the physical count, then save this Excel where you want to save. Then click on upload button. Select the file which you are saved and then click on open. Once you click on open, one message will be pop up called data processing is in progress. Please refresh the page after few minutes. Click on OK. As you can see, physical count will be filled. Then you can click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, one message will be pop up called are you sure want to end the audit process. If all the data are correct, then you can click on OK. You can see audit process ended. Login is cluster manager. Suppose you have multiple items and you want to make sure that every variance should be correct for item which you approve. For that, here is one sort button. Just click on that. Once you click on sort button, it sort the value in decreasing to increasing order. In order to make sure that cluster manager can pay attention to those items for which the variance getting high. Once you click on that, you can see that the variance getting sorted on increasing and decreasing order. According the cluster manager can sorted pay attention towards it. Then click on submit button. You can see the status over here. Then click on submit audit button. As you can see, audit has been completed. Now we can see the second type of audit, which is brand stock audit. For brand stock audit, date range, location, and brands. These three fields are mandatory. First, you have to select date range, then you have to select location, then brand. You can select multiple brands at a time. Then click on save button. Once you click on save button, as you can see, it will shows how much entries are there. As you can see, here are only 3 entries. Then click on schedule audit button. Accordingly, the audit will appear in store manager ID and they can perform audit and it will come back to the cluster manager for receiving. Now we can see last type of audit, which is item wise stock audit. If you want to schedule audit at item level, not at department level or any other particular level, so you can use this type of audit. So you have to select date range. First, I'll show you the download template. In template, you can see here are only 2 rows, item and location. If cluster manager want to schedule audit for particular location for few items, so he can use this type of module. For that, cluster manager need to fill the location and item which conduct in audit. Then store manager go to the portal and upload the CSV and schedule the audit. This audit, this is the kind of audit in which store manager and cluster manager perform audit of item level. Here is one thing to pay attention. When you use this type of audit item wise, you have to pay attention that the item for that particular location is map. That item is available for that location. If the item is not available for that location, the variance should not be updated. So yes, this is the three types of audit: department audit, brand audit, and item stock audit. Thank you.